Every day we see new headlines about safety concerns in our workplaces and our community, reminding us that readiness is no longer optional, but essential. I'm Sandy Sunu Lieberman, CEO of the Artemis Group and founder of the Artemis Defense Institute. In response to the growing demand for practical safety solutions, we're launching the Everyday Readiness Workshop in September in Orange County, California. This event brings together nationally recognized experts Steve Tarani, a leader in preventive defense, JJ, a law enforcement veteran and master instructor, and Stephen Lieberman, an attorney specializing in self-defense, workplace safety, and compliance. Our goal is to empower individuals and organizations with actionable skills to improve situation awareness, prevent incidents, and understand the legal landscape surrounding personal and workplace safety. The workshop will also address California's new Senate Bill 553, which mandates workplace violence preventive plans for employers, a topic that's gaining attention across the country as other states consider similar measures. We believe this story is timely and significant as it speaks directly to the challenges businesses and individuals are facing right now. By sharing insights from our expert panels and highlighting the proactive steps organizations can take, we hope to contribute to the broader conversation about safety, preparedness, and community resilience. If you're interested in learning more or speaking to one of our presenters or even covering the event, we welcome your inquiries. Thank you so much for helping us inform and empower your audience during these critical times.